from the world's capital markets. Here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by CMS Prime.
Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the dollar-yen pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Emily?
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 0.5% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.4% during the session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
Gold prices rose above $2,400 per ounce to an all-time high to end last week, heading for their fourth week of gains, as growing tensions in the Middle East prompted investors to seek refuge in the safe haven assets. The US dollar rose to its highest since November to end last week, boosted by safe haven demand amid geopolitical tension in the Middle East, as well as increasing divergence in monetary policy between the Federal Reserve and other major central banks. Niger has signed a memorandum of understanding with Chinese state-owned oil giant China National Petroleum Corp worth $400 million, linked to the sale of crude oil from its Agadem oil field.
Thank you. Coming up, our chief analyst review of today's most interesting economic events.
The US retail sales will be released at 12:30 GMT, the US NAHB Housing Market Index at 14:00 GMT, the US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT, Finland's Consumer Price Index at 05:00 GMT, the Eurozone's industrial production at 09:00 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.